Uniquely qualified by expertise and well equipped with a 2-in-1 cordless water filtration stick, Vagua vacuum cleaner is professionally designed to clean your whole home. With its efficient rotating floor brush and super high suction power, dust and mites have absolutely no place to hide. The water filtration system enables a strong suction capability for cleaning. Worldwide first upright cordless vacuum cleaner with innovative patented water filtration system. We provide a user-friendly and reliable electrical appliance for your home. Vagua has a silent mode and can dramatically lower noise levels while maintaining exceptional cleaning performance. Our advanced silent mode keeps the sound to the minimum, catering to different situations, especially when you need a quiet working environment or resting time. Our commitment in environmental protection drives us to be demanding in every aspect. The evolution from traditional dust bags to our water filtration system helps reduce pollution and improve the environment. The water filtration system of Vagua revolutionizes the conventional vacuum cleaner. It achieves excellent air purifying results. Air becomes fresher and cleaner after using the water filtration system. This ingenious reservoir is extremely convenient to be removed for cleaning. Unlike a conventional vacuum cleaner, there are no bags to dispose of and a very low risk of dust leakage throughout the reservoir cleaning process. As a high-technology product, Vagua is equipped with a set of all-round accessories which can cover different cleaning conditions and different types of surfaces to transform cleaning into an enjoyable experience, including cleaning ceilings, room corners, sofas, etc. House dust contains many substances such as dust, pollen, mites, pet hair, and smoke, etc. Most of them can lead to dust allergies causing difficulty in breathing, problems of wheezing, coughing, and itchiness. The water filtration system of our bedding tool is one of the best solutions to get rid of these substances from your bedding and pillows. Vagua is equipped with a UV light that generates UVC to sterilize the reservoir. Now, let's take a closer look at what Vagua can really do and the excellent cleaning result.